Zor-Doom Prison. To infiltrate this fortified fortress of fear, our agent, codenamed Dead Meat, will make his way along the grind rail of certain death, traverse the walkway of tortured souls, and ascend the grab ramp into the mouth of the Jolly Jackal. Good luck, Dead Meat. May you die a glorious hero's death.
What?
He's the last of his kind.
Oh, a Lombax. I thought I'd never see one again.
And the mystery of his past.
Our cells functioning at 8% capacity.
No, wait. Where did the Lombaxes go? Why did they leave me behind?
Is the only hope for the future.
We are here to help destroy it.
This fall, the secret to saving the universe is revealed.
We found it!
But what is it?
Well, sort of. Ratchet and Clank Future. Tools of Destruction.
Did I call it a bad time?